The armature is the central part of your power tool's motor. It consists of windings, the commutator, a cooling fan, the shaft bearings, and the drive shaft. The armature along with the field create an electromagnetic field that causes the armature to spin. The carbon brushes transfer electricity to the armature through the commutator. Over time, the commutator will wear from this constant contact. If the tool is overloaded, the armature can overheat and the insulation around the windings will burn away, creating a short circuit. When this occurs, there will be excessive sparking from the motor brushes and smoke or a burning smell from the motor. Replacing the armature is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear handle cover. Next, I'll remove the end cap. Now I have access to the motor's brush holders. I'll pull the brush spring out of the way. Now I'll remove the screws that secure the motor cover. And pull the motor cover away from the armature. And next, the armature from the motor housing. Now I can install the new armature. I'll go ahead and insert it into the gearbox. And now I'll reinstall the motor cover in the field. And secure it with the screws. And now I'll place the brush springs back over the brushes. Now I'll replace the end cap. Now reinstall the top half of the handle and secure it with the screws. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.